Oh, that's wet. Whoa! I almost bit it. That was karma. That was karma. Oh, it's so icky. This is my what? That was very...
I'm just gonna figure skate down.
Yeah, it looks like this is a very interesting method. We are recreating a trip that we took here 10 years ago. Our daughter was pretty small when we came here, and we were trying to go down this trail, and it was just had rain and it was muddy, and our daughter fell, and we're like, oh, that's it, we gotta turn around. And always wanted to come back and check this place out. So this is right here where she fell. And look at her now, she's walking so well. 10 years of practice. So we are at Piney Creek Ravine. This has a waterfall and some archaeological sites along a cliff face. Ooh, tree.
I bet there's a big drop off over there.
It's a short little distance we walked. Found this waterfall here. This looks like more of a seasonal thing. We got off the trail a little bit, and then got on the trail, and now we're off the trail again. So we have come up a good little hill. We've been traveling along a ravine. And now we're on this like spine. We believe this will be a loop that'll take us back to the main section. There's another archaeological site over this way.
I think that looks like an old quarry. I mean, just because of the way it's dug out and it's like got a deep pit in front of it.
Dogs. Oh, maybe those are good.
I wonder if it's somebody that did that or if it's them.
I don't know. I mean, that was kind of what the picture looked like. And then these ones are like carved in with the red.
It's kind of sad. There's a lot of graffiti on this wall, so it's hard to make out the petroglyphs on there. The sign up there was saying that at different time frames these drawings were put on this wall.
You can hear what? Here's a whole bunch of people.
So this is like all chiseled out here.
Do you see, Johnny? Here's a head and the body, legs, the arms. Here's another person. Another person. I think that one's an animal.
Yeah, that was like a horse.
That was like a horse. It's not very elegant.
I found a really deep hole over here.
So mucky looking.
So we were trying to find the Piney Creek site, which I guess is some ruins of an old town or whatever, and we were way up there, and we walked past it and didn't see anything, so we came up the creek looking for it, and we also still don't see anything. But very cool water features. Look on the other side. Up over there.
So we are back at the place that we came down off of, right here. And then we walked on this hill over here. So my wife had a great idea that it'd be much quicker for just to walk up to this trail and then go back. Oh. We are just about back at the car, made it up the mud mountain. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you next time. And we are signing off, guys.